get back to full send here. We're out here with the Kraton XL, and we're gonna see what she's got, man. I don't think I've changed much. Oh yeah, I did change. I changed the chassis. I've got the Just Bash It RC chassis on it. That's the latest thing I did. So we're gonna find out how she holds up. Let's go. Woo! Let's go.
Kraton XL, unstoppable might. Rev it up and chase the light. Lightning strikes.
Mother of... Dude, that is crazy. This thing freaking launches so hard. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but in person, this is nuts. Bro, I'm surprised that this Kraton XL just launches the way it does. Woo! Yes! Let's go! Bro, this is crazy. Freaking nuts, dude. Woo! Yeah, baby. Did I break something? Let me see. Oh no. It's the wing, it's like stuck underneath the shock. Made it look like it was sideways. Oh, there goes a tire. Oh! Massive destruction, bro. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh, at least I didn't lose my axle. Wow, it tore up the freaking shock cap off. Dude, look at that. Oh my God. Dude, that whole corner's like gone. Wow. Well, we're gonna have to fix that before we can come back out here again. All right, well, I'll bring you guys back when we get this repaired. And wow, oh, the other tire blew too, look. Both rear tires blew out. Holy crap. Wow. Well, that is nuts. I've never had I've never broken this bad all at once. Jesus. All right, well, we'll bring her back when she's fixed. What am I doing over there, dude? All right, guys. And we got her fixed up and back. Got her fixed up and back. So where I left you guys off was actually a couple days ago, or 2 days ago maybe now. It's turning right a little bit. And between rain and then we went to the, woo, let's go. Oh man, this thing flies so good, dude. But yeah. So I ended up going to the Brevard RC Bashers meetup which was pretty fun. They had a little skate park there. It was definitely worth the trip. Woo! God, this thing flies nice, man. It flies so nice. It flips good too, like it flips in a nice, it flips in a way where it's like controllable. Like the Outcast flips like super spastic, which is kind of fine, but that's the characteristic of the car. This thing drives a lot like the Asuga, I would say. It's like super stable. I think the long chassis helps. Woo! Land on your feet, baby. Come on, let's go. Yes. Bro, we're about to get some rain in here. So I'm trying to get this little bass session in before the rain comes in. But that's Florida, you know what I mean? That is Florida, bro. If you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes. You know what I mean? But yeah, that little meetup was pretty cool, man. We had a pretty decent turnout. Woo! Bro, I'm trying to talk, but it's like funny because I get so into what I'm doing, I don't even want to say nothing. Oh, that's funny. Turtle. Damn turtle. Let's go. Let's get a different point of view here. Let's see. Coming at you. Woo, yeah, baby. Oh man, you can't see that. I mean, you can't hear that in real life, bro. Like, I wish you could transfer the that sound when that thing lands through the video, man. It is so intense. This big old freaking Kraton XL landing from however many feet up we are. Woo! Wow. It's really amazing to me that these things survive this every time, dude. They survive it every time. And I just think it's like, I know guys like Rich, Duper Bash, Aldo, RC Dude, they all send them just like me or more than me. But it's still like amazing to me that these things don't break every time. That you can launch them that hard and they don't break. Like, I mean, even if you have to repair some things after each session, that's still pretty damn amazing, man. Woo! Wow, that was like a triple back right there.
Robbing base, no survival. Kraton XL is viral.
Dude, this thing, Kraton XL is a savage, bro. Straight savage. Don't care. What is that, like 4 or 5 hits in a row now? It's windy too, man. Woo, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's bring it this way. Oh yeah, it's quick. I had to drop down my pinion down to like a 21. I think I had a 23 in it. And it kept overheating even with the, well, I don't have fans on the motor, but it kept overheating with the 23 tooth in it, so I dropped it down to a 21. That's still plenty, man. That's still plenty. That's it. LBC, baby. Bro, it's got an 8S motor in it with 8S ESC, and it's, even with LBC, it freaking almost does wheelies. It's crazy. All right, guys, we'll see you back at the shop.
with the action, the crowd starts to surge again. Unified in the faction, Kraton rhythm, endless trend. The drop, it's a tidal wave. Kraton XL, it's a rave. Every pulse, every beat ignites the night under our feet.
All right, guys, we're back at the shop with the Kraton XL. Had to put some copper heads on it since it blew out the fire team tires, as you saw in the video, quite spectacularly. So yeah, overview of the car. Running on a 6200 milliamp Huvo. So front to back, we've got Vidavon bulkheads, front and rear. We've got the CRCU tower to tower chassis, the CRCU A and B block, but then we've got Hot Racing C and D blocks because I was trying out these ADU ones, and when I had that big crash, there's a little bushing in here that came out, and that's lost. So I had to take some spare C and D blocks that I had from Hot Racing and put them on there. But we've got Scorched RC front CVs. We've got M2C chassis to tower brace, M2C top plate, Hot Racing servo link, Perfect Pass servo, M2C Racing ESC plate, a spare ESC off of the Kraton 8S that I just bought. We've got a Amazon special center diff mount. We were running an 8S ESC from Arma through a 4985 Easy Run Hobby Wing 1650 kV motor. Let's see, we got the chassis bracing on the rear as well from M2C. We've got M2C axles in the rear. We're running Scorched RC shock towers. We're running the Kraton EXB version 2 shocks front and rear. What else? Hot Racing hubs front and rear. I really like these because they have the upgraded bearings. They're like a bigger bearing, which I'm pretty sure Vidavon and some of the other suppliers do the same thing, but I run these because I've just always had them and they work. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? And then underneath, we've got our Just Bash It RC chassis that I just got. This is the newest addition to this particular car. And it's been good so far. I mean, I don't have any complaints. So I don't know. We'll keep on sending it, you know what I mean? It does look like I had a shock pin here come out too, which I just noticed. And then I'm running the Garage Life RC wing mount, which I've never run before, but I'm trying it out and see how it works. So far, so good. So some of the carnage. So yes, I wanted to talk a little bit about this shock cap is like evidence. So when I hit that right rear corner and landed, it ripped this shock cap like clear in half, but the shock standoff didn't break. So shout out to M2C with the shock standoff, because that's pretty ridiculous. That's pretty amazing that it ripped this off of there and still didn't break the shock standoff. So, and then here's the arm that we had on there. It ripped the hinge pin kind of like out from inside this arm, which is another pretty crazy sight. And then I went, so the first half of the video it was when this whole thing happened, the big crash. And then the next day we went to the Brevard Basher meetup, and I ended up breaking a diff cup. And the thing about these, I mean, you can see that they're already worn. I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but once this thing had been put together the first time all the way back before Armageddon 2024. So it's been run, I don't know how many times, and I just never did a refresh. And I have a kind of a rule with these things, you know, once I've, you know, gone through 4 or 5 batteries and bashed it, you know, hard, I just basically do a refresh. I take everything apart, clean everything, every nut and bolt gets replaced, because I have all the replacement bolts here. I have them all organized, washers, and I even have my bearings here. So anything that's going to need bearings, it's all ready to go. But so I replace everything. I mean, every bearing, the bearings in the steering system, hub bearings, the bearings in the diffs, you know, everything gets replaced right around 3 to 5 batteries, depending, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, you know, it's just, you're asking a lot from these things, you know, you really are. So, but I hadn't done anything to this car in forever. And then I did the first half of the video, went to the Basher meetup, broke a diff cup, fixed it, brought it out here, and did the last half of the video. But yeah, this started out as a fire team, but I really don't like that body. It's just, it's too much. There's always a piece of it falling off, and then if you want to buy a new one, it's like $130 or $40, which is just kind of, these things, to me, bodies are overpriced no matter what kind it is, you know. So I might invest in one of those Basher bodies, you know, see if I can get a body to last, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, that's the fire team / Kraton XL. She did awesome. I was happy with it. So, all right, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.